that some of us do not like to write because it reminds us of school, but you know what? That's too bad, because I'm just kidding. You guys are all adults. You guys can do what you guys want. But journaling is very, very therapeutic, you guys. Super therapeutic. So what you're going to want to do is find a place where it's quiet so that you can have time to really think about what you want to journal about. Write down anything that you need self-reflection for. So if you are going through a rough time and say you have no one to talk to, you can write your feelings down in the journal, and trust me, it feels so much better when you do so. Take this time to really relax and get to know yourself.